that by this time tomorrow, my parents may have disowned me. We're about to go to New Jersey, just filling up this endless damn tank. Yeah. We're in New Jersey. Oh my God, what have I done? Holy. It's here at the house, though. Thanks, John. Whatever that's doing.
Does it roll?
Ah.
With that on?
Yes. Oh wait, hang on. I'm gonna go forward.
I think you got it.
Let's see if we fight first. First. How nervous are you for your own car? Maybe we stopped on a hill.
Gotta get gas.
Uh-oh.
Get it in first. Just go for a second, or are you gonna turn the corner? Keeping it first.
The infamous switch to second.
Wow, second gear.
Second gear, baby, what's up?
Barely rattling.
You guys cannot begin to understand how happy this makes me. It's magic. I got my switch here. Not pretty, but hey, it works. So we got idiot light for the low beam works. The dash lights work. We got the wiper motors, if you can hear them. I don't know if you can hear that. And wow, yeah. You know what that's a video of? That's a video of success. Not just two headlights coming out at the same time. That's success. You know, got some moss. It's missing the bars that go across it. Now this is a different story. Apparently someone had it off. They were going to put on a new bellows or the new canvas, and they had it off the car, and the wind blew, kind of like a day like today, and it took a spill. You can see that just pulls up there. There's another crack there, a giant hole there, giant hole there. I got sick and goddamn tired. I'm hearing people, "Where's the Elmo? Where's the Elmo?" So you know what? I spray painted it on. There you go. You happy? This is on you guys. Okay, about halfway down the top here. Look at that, baby. Back here, it looks perfect. You guys, check this out. Turn the switch on. Power to our radio. Oh yeah. Now remember, kids, beer and power tools do not mix. So don't pour your beer on the power tools. Right, this galvanized pan has been riveted here ever since I bought the bus. I think it's time to see what's underneath, right? Yep, pretty much what I expected. Cool. No holes in the front. It's all painted white. Underneath the seats painted white. Cargo floor painted white. Some of the walls painted white where you're not going to see it. Painted white. All that painted white. Nice, 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 nice. Are you guys checking this out? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got that Oh yeah. Lined that bottom. No shoes in the bus. She just got cleaned out. 2 coats of stain, some poly. Finished that seat here, which conveniently opens up. Okay, some storage. Got some pillows for the bus from a good friend of mine. Thanks, Tony. Much appreciated. Oh yeah. First time that pop top's been open and supporting itself without like a sketchy piece of wood. 26 years. Get ready, baby. It's gonna feel so good. Oh man. Oh yeah, still sticky. See that? Do a little recap. There was a giant dent here, there was no metal here, there was a hole right here, there was another hole right here, another hole there. Nothing on the rocker panels, and there's actually a rocker panel now, welded in that spot there. We had a rear marker light hole there that I patched up, and that's fixed. Same thing on this side. There's my weld-in piece there, blended it in. Whole bottom of the siding doors there, and I got the door. We put our pregnant women to work here. No rest for you. What the fuck, are you carrying a child or something? Get to work. That all done. I think I got time for a quick ride. Let's do it.